Welcome back to the 12 Weeks to Peak videos. Wes Schaefer's accountability group for finishing the year strong. I want to talk today about prospecting and outreach, okay? And we've covered this a long time ago at the beginning of this video. I think this is like the 45th or 46th video, something like that. Consistency is key, okay? A couple things that I've noticed as a sales trainer and teaching people over the last like 10, 11 years is that people will get a list of prospects and they'll burn through them. They will call each of those numbers once, just one time, and then give up. Well, I tried that one, and that just never made any sense to me. In my Sales on Fire program, I show you a system to keep zeroing in on high probability times to encounter those decision makers, okay? The other thing is there seem to be a lot of young people out there who want to make sales without actually talking to anybody and, not putting in any effort, and having it easy, right? And no, it's not going to be easy or effortless. You are going to have to show up. To do outreach effectively, you have to show up. Now, it can be relatively frictionless, okay? It can not hurt. It can be a much better experience than most of what you are having because most people have no system at all, okay? But there's no getting out of the showing up and having to do the work, just like at the gym. You would not expect to not go to the gym and then grow big muscles, right? Or not lift things and grow big muscles. It just wouldn't happen, okay? You're not going to grow a great pipeline and a great customer list and a great referral network without putting in any effort in your prospecting, okay? It's the same thing. And I don't understand why people shy away from it. Now, again, it doesn't have to hurt. There doesn't have to be the grinding of gears we so often see with these folks as they're trying to go out there and do this stuff, okay? Here's the problem that I see most young people doing. They are trying to pitch too soon. You just show up on somebody's radar and you're like, buy my stuff. Whoa. Okay. We don't even know who you are yet, and you don't know who I am yet. You haven't done any qualifying. You're just appearing like a genie and shoving your offer into somebody's face. Don't do that. Okay. Stop doing that. Go out with the intention of having great conversations and building real connections, and the sales will follow automatically without friction. But you have to have a system and you have to consistently run it and you have to show up. Again, doesn't mean 8 hours a day of cold calling. I don't want you doing that. I don't want me doing that. I don't believe that's realistic. And I've been saying that for 10 years. I think if you're in an emergency, if you're doing startup and you need money, 2 hours twice a day, okay, we'll do it. That's still a lot, okay? But an hour twice a day, you can do that. You can do that stress-free, effortlessly, especially with what I teach you in the Sales on Fire program. But you don't even need that. Just show up and do the work and try and make good conversations. Now, as we've discussed in this series, and I've given it to you, but that was 40 videos ago, Jason, and so I don't remember, right? You don't have to shove your way in there. Most of you are so bad at starting conversations, there is no rest of the call. Remember that? Okay. You need to learn, get it into muscle memory about how to start a conversation. Okay. You could wake me up at 2 a.m, hand me a phone and say, dial this number and make the conversation happen. And I would do it. I wouldn't be, wait, what's going on or whatever. In fact, I might be better at it than I would be right now because I'm alert right now. And that means the potential of distraction coming in, right? You're going to watch for that. So again, learn how to start conversations off well. Go into conversations with the desire to actually meet somebody with intention, not to sell everybody because you don't even know if they qualify yet, okay? You're there to connect with them and find out more about them and have great conversations, and then you'll get sales, okay? And it might sound counterintuitive to you, I don't know, but that process is actually faster than you leaping into people's DMs and trying to shove your offer at them. All right. This Black Friday series of days here was terrible as far as marketing went. Like I've unsubscribed from just about everything. So I only got a few emails. I know people who got a whole lot more. I don't think I got any text, maybe one from like LL Bean or something like that for clothes. But nothing really. But again, the ads that I saw on Facebook and that, they just weren't relevant. They were for stuff that I already had handled in that. And like they didn't really do a good job of qualifying. Okay. And that's where most people are at. So you can do better than that. You can focus better than that. Learn how to start having good conversations. Begin them well, and then you can continue. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop there. I think I've rambled enough. I'll see you tomorrow.